How to make corners round? With shape layers, it's extremely easy. Just create a shape layer, go to Contents, Rectangle, Rectangle Path, and play with the roundness. You can even animate it as you wish. Pro tip! While working with the rounded rectangle tool, don't release the mouse button and you can set the roundness of your shape with mouse wheel. But what if I want to add roundness to a video or a picture? There's no roundness in the settings. Create rounded shape layer, then take your video and use it as a mask. It's simple as that. Our second option is to add the roughen edges effect to your video. Set edge type to cut, edge sharpness to 10, and fractal influence to 0. Now you can create round corners with just adjusting the border settings. My name is Marek and my After Effects skills are better than my English, so if you like tutorial videos, just subscribe me for more. Bye.